I will try it with the iPad also, and let's plug in the second cable. So I can have two cables plugged in, and it will only consider that you have two cables plugged in when you have two devices plugged in. So you can have two cables plugged in permanently, and it will only split the power when you plug in the second device. Okay, so I'll bring the iPad here. There's not much space going on now. Okay, the iPad is at 60 something percent. So I have here, iPad is at 60 something percent, and I will plug in the iPad also right here. So iPad is plugged in. Now it did it stopped the charging, and it's charging both of them at the same time. And we'll see, I want to see if it shows slow charging when they are both plugged in at the same time. This is going to be interesting. And so far it looks okay, but we'll see. Okay, so far no slow charging warning, and here on the iPhone it will say 19 minutes to 80%, and on the iPad it doesn't really say anything yet, but it's not showing the slow charging warning. I'll leave them charging for a bit more and see what's happening if something changes. So this is really powerful. It's charging now both devices at the same time, and if I unplug one of them, it will give more power to the other one. So this is a really great option. This, especially because they are 3 meters. These cables are 3 meters, so you can have the power point pretty much anywhere around, and you have the really long USB-C cables, and they are very solid also at the same time. By now, if this was a problem, if there was any issue with these charging cables or with the charger not being compatible or anything, it will show slow charging. So if it's gonna work like this on an iPhone and iPad, this is the iPad Pro M5 and this is the iPhone 16 Pro Max, it works perfectly. Okay, so it's really working, no problems there. Now if I unplug the iPad, it's gonna give more power to the iPhone, and you see it's switching to another charging mode right there. So the charging is going as fast. The charging is going normal. There is no slow charger warning. The charging is going as normal as it should, and the cable works pretty well. And I like this color also, it's pretty nice. Yeah, I hope this helps you set up your charging station, and this you can plug it into a USB hub and you can charge even more devices. You can plug one of these cables into a power bank and you can charge 2 more devices, including the power bank. I hope this helps you get an idea of these best charging options from Ikea so far. I'm hoping there's going to be something more interesting, but actually 3-meter cable is really ideal. Thanks for watching. Yeah, this is great use for that charger. 2 ports action.